Spilled water? No problem. Unexpected drops? It's fine. Great photos with Pro level AI? That's just another day for this Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, because this phone might just be the smartest and the most rugged Redmi Note yet. Now let's start with the standout feature, which is the durability. But before that, Happy New Year my friends. Hope you have a great year ahead. Alright, first, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G comes with an IP68 rating. Now this means that it is built to survive splashes, spills and even temporary full submersion. Now for this test, I took it to the pool where it handled splashes and even quick underwater photos like a champ. Now, the reason why it is so reliable in this particular situation is because of its 17 custom component protection on key areas like the USB-C ports, the buttons and even the camera housing, where each device undergoes 10 air tightness tests to ensure that it meets the highest quality standards. And yes, it's also very responsive even if your hands are wet, thanks to the Wet Touch 2.0 tech in this phone. So whether you're caught in the rain or enjoying a water balloon fight, and you so happen to have this phone has your back. Because honestly, this phone could survive better than me in a pool party. Because I can't even swim. Next up, let's talk about the scratch-resistant display, because with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, it gives 200% better drop resistance compared to the older Corning Gorilla Glass 5. That is usually offered within this price range, and don't worry, I'll let you know the price later on in this video too. Now, the screen is tough enough to handle keys, coins or any random sharp objects that you might be carrying in your handbag. If you're a woman or a man, don't worry, I don't judge. Or simply a pouch, and look, there's no scratch in sight. Then for the part that made me the most nervous, which is the drop test. The new All-Star aluminum structure features shock-absorbing foams with reinforced steel plates, giving it a superior drop resistant. It's like the phone decided to go to the gym and decided to bulk up. So whether the phone slips off your pocket while playing pickleball, falls from the top of your cat tree while you're playing with your cat, or other common situations of the phone falling while you're typing on the desk or taking it out from your pocket, this phone is designed to withstand that. Now this is because of the robust All-Star aluminum structure with a thickened motherboard reinforced by 6 steel plates and strengthening ribs. Now there is a high-strength terminally conductive aluminum alloy frame that enhanced the overall strength by 10% over the previous generation. Then this improved designs does also give a superior bend resistance that exceeds typical industry standards. But there's also the multi-tier shock absorption materials across 6 major components, where this includes a large foam pad, a ring of high polymer cushioning gel underneath the screen, and all of this is to minimize the impact damage. So whether it's a drop on the pavement glass while hiking or just walking in the park, or from the top of the corner of your desk, or if you're just clumsy like me, this phone can take it like a champ. And speaking of being a champ, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, please be a champ by hitting the like button, and a subscription will be lovely too, as we are on the way towards 200,000 subscribers in this channel. So thank you very much in advance. Now, durability is great as you guys have seen, but what about being extra smart? Well, this is also the first Redmi Note series to feature AI-powered photography. So the main camera is a 200 megapixel Samsung HP3 sensor that captures outstanding detail even in low light situations, thanks to the large 1/1.4 inch sensor and the amazingly low f1.65 aperture as seen in these photos. Now the image processing is also really great thanks to the Xiaomi imaging engine, where photos were processed way faster with vibrant color, richer details and great dynamic range. But it was the AI editing tools that really caught my attention even more, with features like the AI Magic Removal Pro that instantly just removes unwanted objects from your photos. So imagine photo bombers, cluttered backgrounds, or even that X from your old vacation pic. Yep, poof, all gone with a tap or in a snap. Then there's the AI image expansion, where you can quickly fix imperfectly framed shots, where it creatively expands those compositions. And for those of you who love beautifying your selfies, I won't judge that too, because the AI Beautify gives you 11 customizable options to enhance selfies very naturally too. Now, if you miss anything here and would like to take your time to read about this phone, you can check out our written version of this review at our website at www.adamlobo.tv, where we also have the daily tech news over there too. So links to that will be down below. So is the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G a great phone? Absolutely, because my top reasons are the durability, the scratch resistant display and the AI-powered photography, where it is priced at 1,699 ringgit, which is about 379 USD for the 12 gigabytes of RAM with 256 gigabyte variant. Then the 512 gigabyte variant is priced at 1,899 ringgit, which is about 424 USD. It is available in this lavender purple, frost blue and midnight black. We can grab this phone from the Xiaomi store, Mi.com, Shopee or even Lazada. So if you're someone who needs a phone that can survive life's little accidents and still deliver great level performance for the price, this should be your pick.